Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom domain to your ClickFunnels. Now, here is a ClickFunnels 2.0. As you can see, we're currently in. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to obviously see if your domain is on hosting. For example, if your domain is on Namecheap, you will need to go and watch our video on Namecheap that we did. Now, there is a lot of different, hosting and domains. So what I would recommend, if you want to add a custom domain to ClickFunnels, go here to Site and Funnels, and then from Site and Funnels, go here to Domains. As you can see, click on Domains. Here, as you can see, I already connected one of my domains, but what you can do is you can buy Google domain here to buy a Google domain and then connect it with ClickFunnels, or you can connect an existing domain. Here we can click Connect Existing Domain. And here what we need to do is we need to just type in a domain. For example, let's say this domain, right? We click continue. And now, as you can see, this domain is registered with unknown. So we click add domain. And once we add this domain right here, we need to start a domain setup, right? Now, as you can see, we made setting up your domain even easier. Click Start Domain Setup button below to connect your domain. You can also set up your domain manually by clicking here. Now here we can see Start Domain Setup, and then this will redirect us, or actually, yeah, we'll have connect your domain to your website. You're a few steps away from setting up your domain. Here we can see click continue, and here we can, the ClickFunnels will analyze your domain. Everything will be here and your setup is ready to go. Then you need to select your hosting provider, right? Let's say our hosting provider is GoDaddy. We can go to GoDaddy and then we'll be able to authorize with GoDaddy. Once we click authorize, our domain will be successfully connected. Obviously, we will have to go through some steps, extra steps, but that's pretty much it, right? Since I don't have this domain, this is just to show you how to do this. This is how you can do it. And then if you want to go back, you just go back, you go here, domain settings, and you can go remove domain and remove domain if you want to remove domain. That's basically how to add a custom domain to ClickFunnels. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.